Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to recover archived boards on Pinterest. It's really quick and easy and the process is way too simple. So let's just jump right in. So let's open our Pinterest app, and as you can see, we are already on our profile. And I have created some boards here. So let's say I will archive a board here. Let's say this one. Tap on the three lines at the top right and click on Archive Board. Archive. As you can see, the very fun part is your archived boards will appear under your boards, and also you can check them if you really have a lot of boards under this archived section. So how to unarchive your board? Simply click on your board and click on the three dots on the top right and click on Unarchive. And this will add your board with the rest of your boards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.